Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please check out the phone numbers in the description box below. Just hit show more, the description box will pop open. You can get those phone numbers and call it up. That is the direct number to the switchboard at the White House. They will put you in touch with any senator, any congressman, any member of the House, even Donald Trump's office. Blow them phone lines up. Let your voice be heard. Tell them we need a stimulus check in that package and we need it now. Don't let up on them. Bombard them with phone calls. Call them every day. Y'all, our great friend Mitch McCollum is at it again. He said it's very unlikely that they will vote on the next stimulus package until they come back in July on the 20th. That would put it reaching us, if there's anything in it to reach us, but that would put it sometime in August before we see it. Senator John Thune said, by waiting until then, it will give them a better sense of what is needed in the package. Senator Roy Blunt said, waiting until the end of July is probably the best thing for them. All Republicans are not taking the wait-and-see approach. There is a few good ones left. Republican Senator Susan Collins said that she would like to see it sooner rather than later. See, a few of them are still good, a few of them cares. So far it's been over 1,300 bogus lawsuits brought up in the wake of the pandemic by these crazy, sleazy lawyers. Now, until they get employer protection in a stimulus and get that, at least get that part passed, businesses will not reopen. You see all these businesses that's not open, that could open, that's the reason why they're not opening. They don't want to take no chances on lawsuits. I can't blame them. There's always that lawyer out there trying to make that fast buck. We know the Senate is taking a wait-and-see approach. We know that they are taking the whole month of August off. Now, if they don't get something done by then, like they have indicated they would, it don't take a rocket scientist to see it will be September before they get anything done. That's a long time to wait. We need to call those phone numbers that's in the description box below. We need to blow them up with phone calls. We need to let our voices be heard. And when we talk to them, we don't need to be nice with our words and our demeanor. We need to get tough with them and let them know if we don't soon get a package with a stimulus check to help the people, come November they will be looking for a job because we will vote them out of office. Y'all, they have proved time and time again that they don't care. Now we have to prove now that we are in charge and we control the voting ballots. Y'all, I've made another video and posted it. You wouldn't see it unless you know about it because it's not on the pandemic stuff. It's the FICO score video that I told you about yesterday. I made it and I'm going to link it at the end of this video. Y'all please do me a favor, check that out and give me a thumbs up on it or thumbs down, give me your comments on it. That is the kind of stuff that this channel is going to be all about. It's going to be business finance, personal finance, and how to build a business online once all this pandemic stuff is over. But I want to get some stuff out there right now. So y'all please check that out and like it, dislike it. Just let me know what you think about it. Y'all, we will get out of this. The question is, how long is it going to take? Well, we see what's happening. We got the Democrats that introduced a bill that's so far out in left field. It's so much spending in it. They know it's not going to get passed the way it is. And then we got the Republicans, senators, they're dragging their feet. They're not going through that bill, taking out what they don't want and putting in what they do want. They're not doing anything. So it's getting real close to time to clean house. November is coming, and we need to let our voices be heard. We need to get the ones that don't care about us out of office. We can easily do that. I don't believe that it's going to be a problem getting a stimulus check in that package. It's just how much will it be and how long will it be before we get it. Because Donald Trump is a smart man. No matter what you think about him, he is a smart man. And he knows if there's not a stimulus check in that package, he can pack his clothes and go back to wherever it is he wants to live this week. Because he will not be a resident at 600 Pennsylvania Avenue anymore. He knows that. And what does he like? He likes power. And he don't want to go down in defeat. He wants to serve his 2 terms and then get out on top of the game. And if he's going to do that, he's going to have to give us a stimulus check worth something. Not that little $1,200. Now, I was grateful for that. It helped at the time. But now it's drawn on so long, we need more. And we need monthly payments. Let your voices be heard. Call those numbers. And don't be nice anymore. It's time we quit playing nice with them. They want to see all these riots and buildings being burnt, cities being destroyed, people losing their lives. They want to see all that stop. They're going to have to give us a stimulus check. A lot of people are not saying it, but this whole chaos that the country is in right now is not over Mr. Floyd anymore. Now it's about economics. People are hurting. People are struggling. They need help. They're demanding help. And I wish people would come out and say that. Don't keep harping on it's for Mr. Floyd when we know it's not anymore. They need to come out and say what it's really about. That way, we can be heard and we can get that help that we need. But nobody is really saying it yet. They will. They will catch on and they will say it. Y'all, again, please go check out my other video that I've posted today. It's how to rebuild your FICO score. And give me a thumbs up on that. Give me your comments. And just know I love you all. And please come back tomorrow. I make these videos every day. I hope they're helping. Please let me know what you think about my channel. I hope you like the way I deliver my content. And just know, I love you all. And we will get out of this with our heads high. Ciao, until tomorrow.